Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to show you how I make my spicy capsicum fry. In Sri Lanka it's called MALU, MIRIS, THEL, DALA, which is basically a fried preparation. This season I've had heaps of capsicums, so I'm going to use my fresh organically grown capsicum to make this dish. You just need a handful of ingredients, some spices, the basic spices, chili, turmeric, and some coconut oil, a few onions, and you're good to go. So first you slice your onions finely. I've used 3 small onions. After this you slice your capsicum. You don't have to slice your capsicum, some people like them whole, but I slice mine lengthwise, so each one in half, and then I de-seed them so you get all the membranes and the seeds out, because that's where you have all the heat. I love how pretty it all looks. The reds, the oranges, and the yellows and the greenish yellows. It's all very colourful, which adds to the dish. So now you add some coconut oil. I've got about 4 tablespoons of organic coconut oil in there. I've also got 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 1 scroll of cinnamon in there. Once the oil is hot, you put those in, and then you add your onions to this, and then you saute them for around 5 minutes till they are translucent and golden brown in color. You can see it's getting golden brown now. It's all lost the whitish color and the oil has absorbed into the onion, and it is looking really good. Next you add your spices. I've got turmeric, chili powder, sweet paprika, chili flakes, and some salt to taste. And then you give it a good mix. And now your final step is adding in your capsicum. Once you add your capsicum in, you give it a good mix, and then you wait until the capsicum is softened, until it's soft and kind of cooked right through in the oil. And then you're done.